background?
Stephanie Olivia Aprilia. I graduate in management and I have 1 year experience in bank service.
And why do you choose this bank?
I minor your good reputation and I want to build a career and trust the finance.
How do you serve a difficult customer?
Stay calm and listen carefully, apologize and find the best solution.
Can you work with target and goals?
Yes, I'm disciplined, organized and meet deadlines well.
Any questions for us?
No, thank you. 3.
Alright, we will contact you soon.
Okay, thank you the opportunity. Goodbye. See you.